Northern Kentucky University officials hosted a special groundbreaking ceremony on Thursday. The ceremony marked the start of expansion for the Dorothy, Westerman, Herrmann Science Center, an $86 million project that will add more than 85,000 square feet to the existing building.
So the expansion of the Science Center is really important to NKU because it will allow us to do more research, serve our students better, educate them in cutting-edge facilities, and really grow to the size that we need to be for our programs as well as for the university and for the region. Really leading in sciences and STEM plus health is going to be so important in our future workforce, and so this will really make a huge difference in our students' quality of education and what they're able to do when they graduate.
One of the biggest aspects of the expansion is that we're going to be moving engineering technology programs and faculty and staff from the business center over to the science center, so all of our sciences and engineering programs can be together. That's one of the biggest things. Another big aspect to this is that we will have an expanded anatomy and physiology area that will serve our pre-health professions and all of our health professions from the College of Health and Human Services as well.
Having students who are well prepared and experienced in STEM will allow them to transition well upon graduation, and they will be able to go in many different directions for their careers and improve the quality of lives for our citizens.
Essentially, we're just kind of commemorating the groundbreaking today and that we're starting off this project, kicking it off.
There's nothing quite like a celebration of change and growth at the university. It's a sign that we're healthy and that we're growing and that there's support and investment in us. It brings me great joy.
The university said funding for the expansion came from a capital investment approved by the Kentucky General Assembly, as well as $6 million in asset preservation provided by the 2022 General Assembly. The project is expected to be complete by the spring of 2027. Reporting for The Northerner, I'm Emily Sisk.